Yes. So we were in exercise 2.4, no? In 2.4, the first sum was done fully. Did, did you try all the sums? Third one, the fourth man you finished? Third one means what? First or third or that third? Okay. In the first one, all the four sums you finished? Okay. In the second one, all the three sums? In the third one? Second one you tried? Okay. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px. Is a factor of px in each of the following cases. Okay, so the second one, px is given. What is px? Px plus root 2. Okay, clarity is okay, video clarity. 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Fine. Now see, it's telling that x minus 1 is a factor of px. Okay, so already given that x minus 1 is a factor of this. So if x minus 1 is a factor, then on dividing this px whole by x minus 1, what should be the remainder? 0. If some number is a factor of some given number, then dividing the given number by that some number, the remainder must come equal to 0. Yes, so for finding the remainder, what? Since x minus 1 is a factor of px, therefore p of what will be the 0 for this x minus 1? I am asking what will be the 0? P of minus 1, same thing, opposite sign, no? If I will put here x minus 1 is equal to 0, then what? X is equal to plus 1, no? Opposite sign of this, no? That will be the 0, no? So P of 1 must be equal to 0. Okay, just opposite of that. Yes, P of 1 must be equal to 0. Why? Because x minus 1 is a factor of Px and the 0 of x minus 1 is plus 1. That's why P of plus 1, which is actually equal to remainder, must be equal to 0. And this equation we need to solve. Simple, we will get the value of k. So in place of px, at every place of x, we have to substitute 1. Okay, so see, tell me, what should I write next? Tell me, what should I do next? Two into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2 is equal to 0. Fine. And next we have to solve. So how much? Of course, this equation we are solving. No, this is the equation. Equation means equal to sign, something on the left hand side, something on the right hand side. That complete is called equation. And now we are solving this equation. Okay. After solving this equation, we will get the value of this k. That's what we need to find. No, find the value of k. So that's what we need to find, and for that we need to solve this equation now. Okay. For solving the equation, we need to put imply sign on the left hand side. Okay, you know this. Now come on, tell me the values fast. What you will get? How to simplify it? Hmm. 1 square is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus k into 1 is 2 plus k. 2 plus k plus is equal to 0. No. So how much is k? We want k or not? So whatever the unknown value is there, that should be left at one side, and the rest, all the other things should be sent to the other side. No? So this root 2 has to be sent this side. Root 2 is in plus, so it should go in minus root 2. Plus 2 here, 2 is in plus in addition with k. So that 2 will go this side and it will go subtracted. So finally k value we will get how much? Minus 2 minus root 2. Or you write minus root 2 minus 2. Both are same thing. So either you write like this, or even you can write minus, you can take outside, it will become 2 plus root 2 under bracket. When we will open the bracket, so minus sign outside, if you will take 2 plus root 2 will come. Okay. Okay. Now the third one. What is px given in the third one? Tell me. This is the px. Okay. Fine. Tell me then next what to do. Again, since x minus 1 is a factor of px, means this x minus 1 will fully divide this px. No, it's a factor of px, means it's going to divide fully, and therefore the remainder p of 1 must be equal to 0, and this equation we need to solve further and we will get our answer. Okay. Okay, in the 9th standard 60% 50% cases we have to work on equation. Okay, so we are working on equation only. See, we are solving equations. Okay, in the 10th standard you will be seeing 70 to 80% what only you have to work on equations and you have to solve. You have to assume something, you have to form the equation, and you have to solve the equation. That only you have to do. Okay, so get ready for working on equations. Okay, so p of 1 is equal to 0 is one of the equation that we need to solve further. Come on, tell me the values first. Now don't get lost. What should I write? K? No, x it is. Okay. So don't get lost. Be here only. Yes. Focus properly, fully, and then tell the answer. K into 1 square. Then next, what should I write? Next, what should I write? Did you completed the equation? So who will tell that? I am asking next, what should I write? What you should tell? I am telling you, focus fully if you are attending the class. Okay? I don't know about your school class. At least in my class, please be focused fully. Okay? Come on, tell me the value for this. Hmm? That is okay. K. Then, so I want K value. No. Next, what should I write? Tell me. And plus root 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Either you write minus 1 plus root 2 or you write plus root 2 minus 1. Both are same thing, no? Tell me. Either you write 2 minus 3 or you write minus 3 plus 2. Both are same thing or not? Here minus 3, here also minus 3, here plus 2, here plus 2. Nothing is written means plus 2. So plus 2. What is this? Addition, subtraction or multiplication? What is this? What is this? Addition, subtraction or multiplication? What is this? Addition, subtraction or multiplication? Okay. So K value we got here, okay? Copy fast. Second, third. Okay. Fourth or third we did. Tell me the value fast. P of x. You dictate me fast. Kx square minus 3x plus k. This is P of x, no? Third, fourth, correct. Since you can't dictate also, I am writing faster than you are telling, you are speaking. X minus 1 is a factor of Px, therefore P of 1 is equal to 0. Next what? Plus? Hey, plus what? Okay, next what? First one is K. K, I don't know. What should I write next? Array, what should I write after this? After this K, what should I write? Where are you watching? I don't understand. Are you watching this live class? No. What you are seeing? Huh? So where are you? Where are you? How much? Means you have somewhere solution, you are seeing the solution and you are then telling. You are not seeing on the board what I have written. Minus 3. Where minus is there? Kx square minus 3x plus k. What next? What next after this? Next what? Okay. K plus k. K plus k what? What does it mean? K plus k? K plus k how much? So much time you are taking as if you are seeing somewhere the solution and then replying. K plus k 2k sir. 1 second. Why 1 second? Is equal to 3. Next what? Which implies k is equal to 3 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. Okay. Correct? Now what is the next one? How to factorize? No? You have to learn factorization. 4th and 5th. Full concentration, then only you will understand this factorization. Otherwise, no. Fourth one, factorize. First, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay? Factorize. What have I written? So factorize means what? Factorize means get the factors, all the factors. Get all the factors. For example, if I have 15, okay? Fine. So what are the factors of 15, you know? 1 is the factor or not? 1 can divide this 15 or not? Yes, 1 can divide the 15. So 1 is the factor of every number. After that 2 cannot divide. 2 table it's not coming. Then 3. Yes, so 3 can divide 15. Okay. If you will divide 15 by 3, 3 5s are 15 and then 0. So 3 is the factor. Then 4, no. Then 5, yes, 5 is the factor. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next is 15 is the factor. Okay, so 1 can divide 15, so 1 is the factor. 3 can fully divide 15, 3 is the factor. 5 can fully divide 15, 5 is the factor. And 15 also can divide 15 fully, 15 1s are 15, so it's a factor. Okay, so all these are factors. Now if I will ask you factorize 15, what I will ask? Factorize 15. What does it mean? It means that 15, let us start finding the, like LCM we used to do, no? That is also a factorization process. So 3 5s are 15, 5 ones are 5. Okay? So we can write 15 as 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Okay? Now here what we have done to 15, 15 is equal to 3 into 5. We have factorized 15 as 3 into 5. What are the factors of 15? What are the factors of 15? 1 also, 15 also, 3 also, 5 also. But when it is asking factorize 15 means 15 is equal to multiplication of the considerable factors 3 into 5. Fine? So this is the simple factorization of the simple numbers that we have studied, okay, before. Now what about the polynomials? What about the polynomials? So see here, this is a quadratic polynomial or not? Quadratic polynomial. When we will factorize it, just like this, 15 is equal to 3 into 5, we will get one linear polynomial, okay, into another linear polynomial. Two linear polynomial product we will get in the factorization of quadratic. The degree for this linear polynomial will be how much? Degree 1. For the linear polynomial, degree 1. Degree means highest power of the variable present in the expression. Okay? Power of the variable present in the expression. Okay? So linear polynomial means degree 1, and here linear polynomial means degree 1. So we will get the product, two polynomials product we will get. The linear polynomials product we will get. So we can say this is also one of the factor for this, and this is also another factor for this. Okay? These both will be the factors. If we will divide this by this, we will get quotient as this and remainder 0. If we will divide this polynomial by this, we will get this as the quotient and remainder 0. For example, see here, 15 is equal to 3 into 5. No? Please be here, otherwise you will not understand. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. So when 15 divided by 3, what we will get as the quotient? 5. And remainder 0. See here, 15 divided by 3, we get quotient 5, remainder 0. When this 15 divided by 5, what we will get as the quotient? 3, remainder 0. When 15 will be divided by 5, we will get 3 as the quotient, remainder 0. Understood? Understood? So when this polynomial will be divided by this, we will get this as the quotient, remainder 0. When this polynomial again will be divided by this linear polynomial, we will get this linear polynomial as the quotient, remainder 0. Why? Because these two are the factors. These two are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Okay? Yes. Suppose 24. Okay? So let us take for 24. How much? 2, 12 table, 2, 6, 2, 3 are 6. Okay, 3, 1 are 3. Fine? Suppose again here 2 coming. 32. How much? 15, 3 is 45. 3 is 30. Even if the third number is coming, no? Third different number is coming, no problem. Then what we will say? 1, 2 and 3. 3 are the factors of this. Okay? Fine? So here, no. So in that case, you must be having cubic polynomial. Okay? This is what? Quadratic, no? Degree is 2. Quadratic polynomial. In that case, so if cubic polynomial will be there, cubic polynomial, okay, then we will get one linear polynomial, okay, into another linear polynomial, into one more linear polynomial. Yes. Got this concept? Degree 1, degree 1, degree 1 and degree 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 is equal to 3. Degree 1, degree 1, degree 2. So 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to 2. Fine? Yes? Copy it, okay? Okay, just refresh it one more time, it will come. It came. Yes. Okay, now see why we discuss this. We will actually find the linear polynomials, okay, in X form. What is that? Okay, so how to get that? For that reason, we need to understand what is the process of factorization. Okay, factorize. Fine. So now let us see now how to factorize. Okay, one I will teach, another I will ask. Understanding? So what is the procedure? Okay, the first thing, see here, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient. Yes, you are sure. What is the coefficient of x square? 12, that is plus 12, no? 12. So 12 is the coefficient, okay, I wrote here, fine. And then what is the constant here? What is the constant here? 12x square minus 7x, minus 7 is the coefficient of x. And what is the constant value? Plus 1, no? So I wrote here the constant, okay. What actually I have to do? I have to take the coefficient of x square and I have to take the constant value along with the sign and I have to multiply here, okay, in the rough. Okay, this factorization is actually factorization by splitting the middle term. By splitting the middle term. What is the middle term in this? Yes, you are sure? What is the middle term in this polynomial? How many terms are there in this polynomial from here to here? 3 terms are there. 12x square plus 12x square is one term. Second term is minus 7x and the third term is plus 1. Any doubt in this? No. Now see here, what is the middle term? X term. Minus 7x is the middle term, okay? This we need to split. This we need to split in two terms. This we need to split in two terms. How to split that we are learning here. Once it's splitted, work is over. Then it is easy to factorize it. Okay. So how to split this? How to break this into two equal parts? Sorry, not equal parts, two parts. How to break this? That we are learning here. Okay. Now, what is the coefficient of x square? Plus 12. I took here. What is the constant value? 1. I took here. Okay. And after multiplying both, what am I getting? 12 now. Okay. Now to this 12, what I will do, I will find the possible factors, possible pair of factors I will find. Okay. I will start from 1. I will start from 1. So 1 into how much is 12? 1 into 12 is 12. So one pair of possible factor is this. Okay. Pair of factors we will find such that their multiplication must be equal to 12. Okay. Now second pair, you tell me. If I write 2, 2 is a factor of this or not? Yes. So 2 into how much? 2 into 6 is one of the possible factor. 2 into 6. Okay. Next. Next, tell me. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Next. 4 into 3 will come, then 6 into 12 will come, 6 into 2 will come, 12 into 1 will come. The same will be repeated, so no need. So we have the three possible pair of factors whose product is equal to 12. Their products are equal to 12. Their products must be equal to 12. Clear? And so which pair we should take here? We want to split this, no, minus 7x. Which pair? So it depends. How to get minus 7 from this 1, 2 and 3 pairs? How to get minus 7? So see here. Please don't go ahead. Listen to my word and be focused here. Okay. I want what? Minus 7. I want minus 7 from any of the three pairs. How can I form minus 7? Okay. How can I form? As a product, it should be 12. Okay. No, we must get x plus y is equal to minus 7. We must get x plus y is equal to minus 7. These two. So which one will be x? Which one will be y? So tell me here. Suppose 1 and 12 if you are taking. If how many possible things are there? Plus 1, minus 12. If I change the sign, okay. Then minus 1 plus 12. Minus 1 minus 12 plus 1 plus 12. These are the possible pairs we can form with the different signs. So can we get minus 7 in any one of them? 1 and 12? No. How much we'll get here? Here how much? Minus 11 here, plus 11, plus 11, then 13, okay. So we are changing the sign, all the possible signs we have changed, but we cannot get here minus 7, okay. Fine. Now here can we get? See, either you add 6 plus 2, 8 or you subtract 6 minus 2, 4. So the maximum we can get 8, the minimum we can get how much? 4. We cannot get 7. Here 3 plus 4, 7 we are getting, okay. 3 plus 4 we can get 7, fine. And what we want actually minus 7. So how can we make in minus 7 form this? How? Tell me, what should I write? Not into addition subtraction, only addition subtraction. Plus 3 minus 4. So how much it will come? It will come minus 1, no? Minus 1 it will come. Where minus 7? Okay. Yes, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 7 can be splitted to minus 3, minus 4. Okay. And what should be their product equal to? It must be equal to this 12 plus 12. Okay. Now what we did actually see here. We first took the coefficient of x square 12, okay, and then the constant we multiplied here 12. 12 into 1 is equal to 12, okay. Then we found all the possible pair of factors for 12, okay. And now we are searching for whose addition or subtraction can give us minus 7. We are searching in these pairs which two numbers or which possible pairs addition subtraction we can get from there how much? Minus 7. So we came here that minus 3 minus 4 if we will do, we will get how much? Minus 7. So what we will do, are you listening? Okay. So see what I can do, 12x square, okay, and then this minus 7x we can write as so minus 3x minus 4x we have to write, okay, because it is 7x, no, so minus 3x minus 4x. Is it okay? Then complete it plus 1. Got this? So this is what? Factorized by splitting the middle term. We have splitted the middle term. The middle term must be splitted in two terms such that, now listen properly, the middle term must be splitted in two terms such that their addition or subtraction must be equal to this middle term and their product must be equal to the product of the first term and the third term. See here, minus 3x into minus 4x. How much it will be? Tell me. Multiply. You can see the sign, no? What is the symbol? Addition, subtraction, man. Multiplication, no? Minus into minus, how much? Plus. 3 into 4? Taking so much time in replying. 3 into 4? 12. And x into x? So why? What is the problem? So easy things. I am breaking in very simple things and then I am explaining you. And then also you are taking time in replying. What is this, man? 12x square. What I told. The middle term should be splitted in two terms such that their addition or subtraction must be equal to the middle term and their product must be equal to the product of the first term and the last term. Multiply this first term, plus 12x square into plus 1. How much? What is the first term? Plus 12x square. And what is the last term? Plus 1. So what value we will get? Plus into plus, plus. 12 into 1, 12. X square, nothing, 1, so x square. Understanding what I am telling? What I told. The middle term must be splitted in two terms such that their addition or subtraction must be equal to the middle term and their product must be equal to the product of so slowly, so properly, 3 times, 4 times I am repeating, then also not able to grasp it. What is the problem? Understanding, you understood or not, how will I understand? Tell me. Say one thing, you have understood or not, how do I understand that? Unless you reply properly, then only, no, I will believe, yes, you have understood. We have the classes just not to finish the portions. Try to understand that is school already is doing. That is school online classes already are doing. They are finishing the portions. Whether you are getting or not, that does not matter much. Okay? Try to understand. We have the class whether you are understanding or not. That is the main priority. So how will I understand you have understood or not? Tell me, how will I understand? Unless you reply. So you reply properly, you reply me fast, I will proceed fast, no problem. So listen properly and then reply properly. Two things only I am asking from you. Now again tell me, the middle term must be splitted in two terms. Repeat the statement and complete the statement. The middle term must be splitted in two terms such that what? The addition or subtraction of these two splitted terms, the addition or subtraction of these two splitted terms must be equal to the middle term. See, minus 3x minus 4x, how much? Minus 7x. So the addition or subtraction of these middle two terms must be equal to the splitted terms must be equal to the middle terms. And their product must be equal to first term must be equal to the product of the first term and the last term. So why are you telling only first term? Last term, yes, come on. No, you do not have to tell thing extra. You tell only what I am telling, that is enough, okay? For your 100% mark, that is enough. Again, repeat it, come on, what I told. The middle term must be split in two terms such that, complete the statement. And yes. See, so we have split this minus 7x into two terms, minus 3x and minus 4x, okay? Next what? Next what we have to do? We have to, how many terms now? We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 terms now? So what we will do, we will take the first two terms and we will take the common things out from that. We will take the first two terms and we will take the common term out from that. So what is common in 12 and 3? 12 and 3, what is common? 12 is 3 into 4 and 3 is 3. So what is common in 12 and 3? Common means present here also, present here also. Common means present here also, present here also. So what is common in this and this? So please focus and answer my question, okay? Help yourself. I am helping you. You also help yourself. Then work done. Okay. So what is common in 12 and 3? 3. What is common in x and x square? What is common? How? X square means x into x. No. And x means x. So what is common in both? 1x. No. So 3x. So I got 3x is common in both this and this. Got this? Now what I will do? I will take the things 3x, I told no, common thing we have to take out. So 3x I am taking out. So how much is left in the first term? If I will take 3x out of this 12x square, what will be left here? 3 4s are 12. Okay, no, 12 was having 3 into 4, we took 3 outside, what is left? 4. So 3 4s are 12, no, and from the x square, which was having x into x, 1x was taken outside, so what was left? What is left now? 1x. Got this? So from the 12x square, when the common term is taken out, that is 3x, we are left with, in the first term, 4x. In the first term we are left with 4x. Then minus sign as it is, no, and then from this second term, that is 3x, what is, if 3x is left out, what is left here? Sorry? No, what I am asking, from this 3x, if 3x is taken outside, what is left here? 1. 5 means 5 into 1, we can write, no. So from this 5 into 1, if 5 is taken outside, then what is left? 1. So that 4x minus 1 here. Okay. We are not changing this expression, we are not changing any value. See, minus 3x minus 4x is already minus 7x. We are not changing its values. Try to understand. We are just splitting and working on it, but we are not changing its value. See here, if we will open the bracket, we will get the same thing. 3x into 4x, how much? 12x square will get. Minus, so minus sign as it is. 3x into 1, how much? Minus 3x will get. We are not changing this polynomial. The polynomial is still remains same. Okay? Correct. Next, what to do? Next, from this we have to take. So see here under bracket, what is there? Plus 4x minus 1. No. Plus 4x minus 1. And here what we have? Minus 4x plus 1. Okay. So from these two terms, the next two terms, we have to take the common things out. What is common in both? Minus 4x and 1. What is common? Tell me. Nothing is common, means 1 is common, only 1 is common, okay. So if I will take plus 1, as outside as common part, then what will be left inside? Tell me. As it is, minus 4x plus 1, okay. But what we are seeing here, inside this bracket, 4x minus 1 is there, here also 4x and 1 is there, but with the changed sign. Here plus 4x, here minus 4x, here minus 1, here plus 1, okay. So in that case, what we will do, we will take the minus 1 outside, okay. If we will take the minus 1 outside, then the sign will change. It will become plus 4x minus 1. Okay, so what we did first, we splitted the middle terms. Listen properly. We splitted the middle term. We splitted minus 3x and minus 4x. Next, what we are doing, we are taking the first two terms, okay, and we are taking the common things outside, letting the other things inside the bracket. Next, what we are doing, we are taking the other two terms. Again, we are taking something outside as common and letting the other things inside the bracket. Got this? Got this? Now, if we will see here, again we are having two terms now. This is complete one term. 3x into 4x minus 1 is as a whole one term. And this minus 1 into, sorry, here two terms, 3x and this. Here minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is again another term. Okay. So in these two terms, okay, what is the common? 4x minus 1 is common here also, and 4x minus 1 is common here also. Okay. So what we will do next? Again we will take 4x minus 1 outside from this complete term and from this complete term. The two terms are there. 4x minus 1 I am taking outside because it is common. So what is left? What is left in the first term? Tell me. If this was the first term, 4x minus 1 complete is taken outside, what is left? 3x. Okay. And from this term, if 4x minus 1 is taken complete outside, then what is left? Minus 1? Minus 1. And then bracket close. Okay. And now we have come with the linear polynomial. See, the degree is how much? 1, 1. No? This is linear polynomial. And this is linear polynomial. So the product of the two linear polynomials is this quadratic polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial or not? And this was, I didn't know, should be equal to the product of two linear polynomial into this linear polynomial. No. So see, we have got the two linear polynomials, 4x minus 1, 3x minus 1. If we will actually multiply, we will get this value only, okay? We will multiply these two, we will get this 12x square minus 7x plus 1. What is the time? 10:05, huh? Okay, so the remaining we will discuss tomorrow, okay? You also try and I will ask you here, okay? You have to explain. Fine? So what to do? This video you will watch once again if it is required, okay? But right now you cannot watch, okay? Maybe in the night you can watch because it takes processing time. After that only it comes to show. Okay then, so today, yeah, what? No, fifth one is little different, that is cubic. But this was the main thing, okay? If you have understood this, work done. Then we can move fast, okay? In the fifth one, we have cubic. Little different, but not like this. You have understood. If you have understood this, work done. Okay? So cubic, in the fifth one, we have cubic means linear into linear. We'll get three linear polynomials, okay? So you have to get thorough in this, okay? You have to practice as much as you can, okay? So try this also. You write this one, and then this one again by yourself without seeing, okay? In this what you will do? Tell me just, in this what you will do? What you will take? The coefficient of x square 6 and this constant 5. 6 plus 5, 6 into 5, how much? 30. 6 has a 30, and that 30 is equal to, start 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, and then again it will be repeated. 4, 5, no, one more will come. 5 into 6, and again 6 into 5 will be repeated. 10 into 3, 15 into 2, 30 into 1, like that it will come. So these are the possible pairs which we can consider for this splitting middle term. 17. What is the value here? 17, no. So tell me, in which we can take 17? 6 plus 5, 11, or 6 minus 5, 1. We will not, this is not considerable. 10 and 3, 13. 10 minus 3, 7. This is also not considerable. 2 and 15, 17. Yes, it can be considerable, okay? This also not considerable. So we will take 2 and 15. Understanding? So this plus 17 can be written as what? Plus 2x plus 15x. And then plus 5 as it is, and plus 6x square as it is. We have splitted the middle term. See here. What I told, the middle term must be splitted in two terms. The middle term must be splitted in two terms such that their addition or subtraction must be equal to this, and their product of plus 2x and product of plus 15x. How much? Plus into plus, 2 into 15, 30, and x into x square. So plus 30x square. See, the product of the first term and the last term. What is the first term? 6x square. And what is the last term? 5. So 6 5s are 30x square. Getting? No? So like this we can do. And next what we will do? The first two term we will take the common things outside and then put under the bracket, okay? Something here. Yes. So try this also. You write this question also. Write this question. Hmm. Finished? So you will try all the fourth one, okay? Okay then. Okay, okay. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.